Hallo, it's Dumplet here. Here's an item on calculus. Evaluate the limit of the natural logarithm of 1 plus 3x divided by 2x as x approaches 0. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, whenever we try to take a limit, we always try to see, can we directly substitute it? Now, if we directly substitute x equals 0, we're going to end up with ln of 1 plus 3 times 0, that's just 0, so it's ln 1 at the top. And in the denominator we have 2x, so 2 times 0, that's just 0. Now, ln 1 over 0. Now we can write ln 1 as simply 0, because ln 1 is indeed 0. So we end up with the 0 over 0 scenario. Now, 0 over 0 is kind of one of those bad terms, or like a weird term, because we don't know what it is. In fact, it's called the indeterminate form. Now, whenever we see indeterminate forms happen in limits, we're motivated to do the L'Hopital's rule. Now, recall that the L'Hopital's rule, we want to differentiate the numerator and the denominator, so the limit is preserved if we differentiate the numerator and the denominator. Now, since we have to take the derivative of the numerator and the denominator, let's do that. Now, for the bottom one, it's simple, because the derivative of 2x, I think it's very simple enough that it's going to be 2. Use any method you like, but the power rule works fine. Now, a little bit challenging here is what is the derivative of ln of 1 plus 3x. For this, we just simply use the chain rule, simply take the derivative of whatever is inside. So the derivative of 1 plus 3x, that's just 3. We have 3 here. Now we take the derivative of the outside, which is the ln x. So the ln function, so it's just going to be 1 over the function. So, sorry, it's just going to be 1 over x. So technically, we're going to multiply this to 1 over 1 plus 3x. So applying the chain rule here, we're going to get that the derivative of the numerator is equal to 3 divided by 1 plus 3x. So let's put it back. So we have the limit of the derivative of the numerator, which is going to be this, and the derivative of the denominator, which is this. So by L'Hopital's rule, this would be equal to this. Now, every time we do the L'Hopital's rule, let's see if we can directly substitute x. Now, if I directly substitute x, I'm going to get 3 over 1 plus 3 times 0. So the denominator here is just 1. Now, if it's 1, okay, 3 over 1, that's just 3. So, okay, 3 over 2 it is. So we should have the final answer to be 3 over 2. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!